for the telescope man. In fact, some sign telescope when I'm casting me out. No, my brain, yame. Shadi. La ilaha illallah. I was a for Montreal. Crazy man. The Bible say, "And I'm named dear me mind, and him to me my era." And I buy a ban and ibresso. So now you tackle at the currency, and I say, "You know, so I was saying, you pay me a tria at all." Then I see a buyer, in a conforso with all due respect. Where's a kind of hydra?
No correct.
Maybe a trem was a be a comfort or your comfort, Sabi or shame room and partial account for consultation. And some conform piano be deliver word. Koyen foundation partner was on some. And a Bible buyer, I might say the donor I can be a Christian for. But then what do we see? The comfort A7 is being modernized, you are modernizing no. I bear for them. And about comfort be cry the shana and a song yes or no. Na DSTV ebo che se nani ate
or chat or
WhatsApp and yeah na I was for obi wa ba kono dodo na ba kono ni pebebre asalai na wutua consultation fee ubetua sika bi na ya mawo card na card no de delay ansa na watumi awura ho minister we live in a society here. You be said yes, you may be a we be a tax. So we are income, but they are supposed to pay tax. This will be a comfort no to na son yes wa. Dear any pan by ye be mamo when you acquire agent tax.
Mr. Bernard, you better was. Na the piano open chairs and happy as singing teaching of Fleming.
That's right. That's so now what Ben.
Yes. The tenant say, see a bedroom be taxed. You say, "Oh, yeah, you am an income back."
That's right.
Yeah, you might not so fast.
You're busy.
Just our plan. Yes, you're G. Jaffa. Maybe you are paying
you puntu.
Yes.
That's right.
Now, who say last week of Fleming?
Yeah.
I mean, I can't suffer the say, didn't know be Kenya myself. A preaching near Jenna tax. And my metro say, "Oh, to where we are so tax."
Tax, yeah.
Sooner. Conform what you consultation fee. Nature say tax.
That's right.
So we be share conform. Now on your consultation fee, the minimum center the cost.
That's right.
Then I conform.
That's right.
It is a what the IS budget.
That's right.
And yes, so mine.
That's right.
Because conform chika.
That's right.
Kana uchi. And yes, can you hear?
That's right.
Conform, oh yeah, near much said it man for ye na. To see a tax dia. Mona mutis kaka say trust agent.
Now I don't want to so go on gin and training right na and no say we so the kuya pay babo so fetch akoton no so be dem what tax.
I dey tell you say ye ne abato. Ye ne wo mekasa. Ne ye di abam sini bia kosi wo. To hu se wo conform we wo kito dan ana di asoma. Udruwa omuko na
anya too tedious. How can you do such a work?
And say nam yinara nam.
Fantastic.
Renam na make senam de bebu o man.
Minister, on the other hand, let me say one say no wo hwe most of them ye nyina no ba mu yisika. Omu yisika. Omu yen senchene upesika abra. Don't do things in a way it's also affecting the youth. So it's a boys in the breed, they are entering into this sikasemne ritual, that kind of thing, no?
Mr. Bernard, Obiani ni believe.
Okay.
We are saying Obiani do virginity.
Okay.
We are so bad.
Okay.
Me Minister Dabu. Upon say me Minister Dabu na. Me head that was master.
Okay.
I House of Great Ministry. Me head that.
Yes.
Yes.
And our companies in houses.
I buy a woman may and head for so ever basso. To say me or companies are so be minister. Na my shepherd and near Juma. Obaka said, Minister, we only vision.
And do you also know, sir, who call Amanonia? I did a moment to Pono, a tax system here.
Yes.
Yes. And I realize that most of people,
yes,
they don't pay tax. As an immense one, they turn around and they blame the government.
Yes. Now say me too quiet. Me will say will be set tax, say, or so my tax. So one tax a bit much work to me. Now we are doing what the prisons who bear to make tax because a queen hour. It's Mr. Bernard, Mom and Warrior. Yet DNA is from one eye conform one eye conform one by Mr. Bernard a one, the baby young help, a baby improve. Thank you,
educate your man.
Oh, so now, 1 million who say, you just see a job tax. You did that bow.
Tell me, Ajuma me, nti mo abambofo no military no we no. Na me kono say.
Say the usifado one kan say kawo de structure bit me.
Aseme your man you I say we ya she.
Oh me shell.
Okay.
I say bibia ntima for mo boy ani aye ni.
Minister, Yamisha. On the other hand, so say people are always paying tax.
Yeah.
It's to scano tax na etutu ya no. And I dey impuntu. But you know, say people also complaining outside say tax no mutual street lights. We say to me life from Kumasi to Accra or Bauze a Kwemu guy.
Mr. Bernard, Medawas.
Yeah.
Tax na yejeni. One Oba Parliament, I want to do.
That's right.
My allowance.
Yeah.
Tax. Me to point. Me fa play. Tax.
Who to point?
See me kwabro chira ko yin mama o man tax sikana na beti bi dia mama into one say me VAT is way
yeah
me to petrol ni nyina tax any de be mama petrol me kwa yi ase twase hu so na bo minister ma pa e twase mi jimi di me jeme sama tax
o ko yin
me kwa yi aso kwa yi a unya daji twanto ana
menim sara ni sa on say
nanti mi so me kwa mi nya da aja mo
na say asa me kan na wo me mo papa bia o wo say wo petroska anamboa o ko ayi agocha fe bi pedem ana wo je
meje
minister wo say and the attack was obekwa yi V8 e dey bi aje petrol say
me be at 20 gallons 15 gallons
me nyina ye tax na
say aban na me petrol tax
say school so na ayi law kwana say kam me yama nam say twa no mo ye dey
intina enka my say me nka on process but we need to make our own process own process eguagwama ba che say
na say eno dey bitima kwaje Chinese loan na e dey 100 years atwa
oh loan ya kwaje no ni nyina no tax na na agigi ana dey akotwa o say agi tax na enye ni na na mu odu say dey be ye kwan je no no ye dey toto na man kitin bi na say ya kwaje loan na dey abeseto
Abuzafo and the minister Kasama na me de emse na talking about konfo ne mom ye business na also mutua tax no echi o ka che me se be ya me mom ni kan na me nkoje tax ne me no eno say no me hu de o pa kire
Mr. Bernard
yeah
me pese me ka bibi che watiefo
kata
Ghana man obi biara ma me papa me nya katwa minister Dabuni me ka cho se ye nka se obi entuma so we are confront me nkom untimi ma TV so ubetimi aba na de tene se so we come to consultation fee dia ya baje tax na sebe o se o fire fato na ntwebla se me jiska na mbe jiska dia fato na ntwebla ye be hia wa bato yenyi ni be hia ukum na ma agimi chefa parliament yenso ya kware ne de ye adwuma tax
mo ba so
o de fa Obama ni so a ye ne network for ne be kasa ni asom ye be ye fam finfin o de fli ha ba e medu oni atwe finfin iti ya boy ho pa tackle for tackle si e be ji asofo tax dia na sa confirm unti e be ji tax because ultimate catch for 50 million e be ji 100 million e ye adwuma na wo ye business you have to pay tax
yeah.
Am I right?
Yeah.
Am I right? And I'm done. Thank you.
towards the GN the Krubia, Oka Butchera, America taking them so many years on their bed on Krono in a tax. Oka Butchena say who running away from taxa. Almost away wouldn't know a man boy for. If you know, it doesn't matter who you are, or you're comfort, or you're software, or you're imam, whoever you are. So your business in quantity and your business, so to your tax, and maybe between your brother bridges, maybe between your many. Yeah, console a catch a point. Yes, say a brand new some people now. Yeah, you want to tax and mamoswa. Says you can't find you be now on mine. You're about hospital in Yakataya, then add that so. The hospital when you go there, Kowunya mattress and that so. Now we still pay tax. It's very sad and bad. Yamin Shamo, mother said, never say Shia. Myself and Adniako and the minister double on the best boy in Majumedi. The way Panamia Domoa, the say, we are conform with your tax. Doesn't matter who you are. If you are doing business, you pay tax for the sake of Ghana.
Yabla, why? Yabla. Debbie, I'm saying Yabla. Uma.
I won't say, may ye Jumama Ghana.
Oh, me, Pawasa. Yabla, Humana, Jipper. Why?
May okay, Nina, your minor tax in here.
Sir, oh, I am a bottomska, Semit Majuska.
Miss Abba me who
was it?
Who by me who?
Today, Yankasa.
Mate. Mate.
Why?
Mate.
Hey. You're welcome to you.